Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by measuring the window opening carefully and accurately in inches. Measure width first, then height to the nearest 1/8 inch. Record both numbers clearly on paper or a phone note. Add 1.5 inches to each measurement for mesh overlap on every side. Decide whether the mesh will sit inside the frame or on the exterior face. Select a mesh with 18 by 18 strands or a 60 mesh rating for pet containment. Lay the chosen mesh flat on a clean surface before cutting. Cut the mesh to the measured dimensions plus 3 inches total for overlap. Use sharp scissors or tin snips designed for coated fiberglass mesh. Measure and cut aluminum frame pieces to match the final mesh size accurately. Use a hacksaw and file to remove any burrs after cutting the frame. Prepare a soft edge spline sized for a 3/8 inch groove before assembly. Position the mesh over the frame and start inserting the spline into the groove. Use a roller tool and work around the perimeter to seat the mesh evenly. Trim excess mesh flush with the spline using a utility knife for a neat edge. Mount the assembled frame into the window opening and fasten with screws placed about every 12 inches. Check for gaps and seal any openings larger than 1/4 inch with weather stripping. Finally, apply gentle pressure to test durability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.